Hello everyone, in this video, I'll guide you step by step, starting from signing up on Binance, to trading futures, all explained in a simple and easy way. If you register through the link in the description below this video, you'll get a 20% discount on Binance trading fees along with extra bonus rewards, so make sure to use this link. First, I'll go over the steps to sign up on Binance. When you click the link in the description below this video, you'll be redirected to the Binance sign-up page. Here, you can see that a 20% discount on trading fees is available, along with various additional bonus rewards. Please create your Binance account using either an email address or a mobile phone number. Check the box to agree to the terms below. Then click Continue. Please select the image that matches the word on the left. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. Please enter the code you received to verify your account. Next, create a password. The password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number. If the inviter code input screen appears, please enter SKY222. By entering this code, you'll receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees, along with additional bonus rewards. So I highly recommend entering it before you complete your registration. Once you've completed this step, your account will be successfully created. Next, let's proceed with KYC verification. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, you need to complete identity verification. Since this process involves facial verification, we'll continue on a mobile device. Download the Binance app on your phone. Open the Binance app, and log in with the account you just created. You'll be directed straight to the identity verification screen. First, please select your nationality. I'll select India. And proceed with identity verification. Please choose one of the following documents you have. I'll select passport verification. Select Take pictures to photograph your passport. Then click Continue. Now, place the passport's photo page within the camera frame, and take a picture. Make sure there is no glare or shadow. Next, let's move on to facial verification. Carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen, and complete each required step sequentially. The identity verification process is now complete. After about 1 hour of review, you'll see the status change to verified. Next, let's set up Google authentication. Please switch back to your PC screen. Click Account in the left menu. Then click Security. We'll set up security using the Authenticator app. Click Manage. Then click Enable Authenticator app. A verification code will be sent to your registered email or phone number. Please enter the received code to continue. A QR code pop-up will then appear. Now, download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Open the Google Authenticator app, and tap the button in the bottom right corner. And select Scan a QR code. Then scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. A 6-digit Binance code will be generated in Google Authenticator. Now click Next on the Binance PC screen. Enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator into the app code field. Your two-factor authentication setup is successfully complete. Next, I'll go over the steps for peer-to-peer trading on Binance. First, click the wallet icon in the top right corner. As you can see here, the spot wallet is used for spot trading and storing your main assets. And the futures wallet is dedicated to futures trading. First, click Spot. Then click Deposit in the top right corner. Then click Buy with USD peer-to-peer. Check the agreement box, and click Start Trading. To buy crypto, select Buy. And then select USDT. When compared with BTC or USD, USDT usually provides the most favorable rates. Here, choose the currency you want to purchase and enter the desired amount. Then choose the payment method. You'll then see a list of advertisers below. I recommend selecting advertisers who have a large number of orders, as well as those with high ratings and a strong completion rate. Click Buy USDT next to the advertiser you wish to purchase from. Please carefully review the terms set by the advertiser before proceeding with your purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy, then click Buy USDT. You'll be able to see the advertiser's name, bank ID, and QR code. Before making the payment, carefully review the seller's chat messages. Please proceed with the deposit using your selected method. Then return to Binance. Click Transfer, notify seller. Upload at least one payment proof to the seller. Tick the agreement checkbox below, and then click Confirm. After a short while, tap the wallet icon located in the top right corner and select Spot. Then, you'll be able to verify that your USDT has been successfully deposited. Then, I'll go over the steps for futures trading on Binance. To start futures trading, you need to transfer your coins from your Spot wallet to your futures wallet first. Click on your Spot wallet, then select Transfer in the top right corner. Transfer funds from your Fiat and Spot wallet to your USDM futures wallet. Select the coin to transfer, enter the amount, and click Confirm. The coin will be successfully transferred to your futures wallet. Now, to begin futures trading, click on Futures in the top menu. Select USDM Futures. You'll now see the futures trading screen. Click the button in the top left corner to choose the coin you want to trade. On the right-hand menu, you can configure detailed settings for futures trading. Click this button to select margin mode. In cross mode, your entire margin balance is used to open positions. In isolated mode, only a portion of your margin is used to open positions. For beginners, I suggest using the safer isolated mode. Click this button to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. Higher leverage can increase potential profits, but it also increases the risk of liquidation. For beginners, I recommend trading safely using 3x to 5x leverage. Next, click this button to select the order type. A limit order lets you place a trade by specifying your desired price. A market order executes immediately at the current best price. Below that, you can check your available margin. Here, you can specify the trading price and the quantity. Finally, select a position direction. If you expect the price to rise, choose Buy Long. If you expect the price to fall, choose Sell Short. Click the Positions button at the bottom, and you'll be able to view your open positions. Entry price shows the average price of your position. The mark price indicates the current market reference price. If the price reaches the liquidation level, the position will be automatically closed. P&L shows your current profit and loss. Click the pencil icon next to TPSL for your position, to set your take profit and stop loss levels. Finally, to close your position, under the Market Close All button, choose either Market or Limit to close it. You'll notice that your position has now been closed. In today's video, I walked you through each step, from signing up on Binance to trading futures, all explained in a simple and easy way. Your subscriptions and likes greatly help support the creation of these videos. Thank you very much for watching today.